that was close. So today we're making these super cute bracelets. I made 2 of them since I like to wear them together. They're so easy to make and they're seriously my favorite bracelets to wear right now. So I hope you'll try to make them yourself, and here's how to do that. In this tutorial you'll learn how to easily create these charming bracelets. They are adjustable in size, which makes it easy to put them on and off your wrist. Here's what you need to make them. Colorful nylon cord, I went for the lilac and a hot pink. Any kind of connector charm, I'm using these beautiful gold hearts. Some small beads, which is optional, and for the tools, scissors, embroidery needle, a super glue or a lighter. You will need 5 pieces of knotting cord to make 1 bracelet. Cut 2 pieces of the cord first. This must be 15 inches or 40 centimeters long. Fold the first cord in half and pull the loop through the heart. Then fold it over the heart and pull the rest of the cord through the loop. Repeat the same step on the other side of the heart. As you can see, you can use any connector charm you want as long as it has a hole. Place the bracelet on a flat surface and fix the 2 strands with a piece of tape or a heavy object like me. Cut another piece of a cord, this time a bit longer, approximately 20 inches should be enough. Square the first string over the stationary one. Now it's time to start knotting with the basic square knot technique. Take the marked side of the cord, I started with the one on the left side of your screen. Go under the middle strands and over the one on the right. This will create a loop on the left side. Take the cord on the right and pull it through the loop. Pull tightly and slide the knot up to the charm. Next, switch to the opposite side. Since I started with the cord on the left side of the screen before, I am now first taking the string on the right side. Again, go under the middle strings and over the strings on the left side of the screen. Pull the left string through the loop and pull both cords tightly. And you just need to repeat these steps until you end up with a beautiful strap. Again, take the string on the left side, go under the middle cords and over the cord on the right side. Pull the right cord into the loop on the left and tighten the strands. Take the right string and again navigate under the middle strings and over the left string. Switch to the left string, go through the loop and tighten the knot. Let's watch this viral step one more time so that it prints into our memory. I like DIY bracelet projects, especially during winter. Here in Norway days are becoming very short already and it usually rains. So I like spending my free time creating some cute accessories. I have several easy bracelet tutorials in mind, so definitely stay tuned if you're a bracelet lover. Back to your bracelet. Continue knotting until the strap is long enough to cover a bit less than half of your wrist. Turn the bracelet over. To make a neat ending to the strap, we now need to work with these 2 side cords. Thread the first cord onto an embroidery needle, which is basically just a normal needle but bigger. Then sew up the center of 2 to 3 knots along the back side of the bracelet like me. Repeat this step on the other side. This will assure that our knots are well secured and that the bracelet will last us many years. So this is what you need to have at the end. Cut the excess cord that you've just sewed up and melt the tips with a lighter for the extra hold. Now we need to repeat the same process on the other side of the bracelet. Here I'm starting on the left. Go under the middle strings and over the strings on the right. As you see, a loop is formed on the left, so take the right string and go through that loop. Pull both side strings to tighten the knot. Since we started on the left before, we must start on the right this time. Go under the middle strings and over the left string. Take the left one and go through the loop. Tighten and repeat these steps, left, right, until your bracelet strap is long enough. Here you can see closely why this knot is called the square knot. You get a square pattern with the strings when you're knotting. Finish off the strap the same way as the first one. Trim the excess cords that were sewed up the center and melt the tips. Be careful that you don't melt the rest of the bracelet. The flame must only slightly touch the 2 tips. To make a sliding closure, shape the bracelet into a circle so that the middle strands overlap. Make 2 loose knots like me to temporarily tie the cords together. Fix the bracelet so that it stays in place with some object. Take 10 inches of a cord. Now start knotting exactly the same way as before with the bracelet straps. As I'm starting on the left, I need to go under the 4 middle strands and then over the right string. With the right string, I'm going through the loop on the left and I finish the knot by tightening. Next, start on the right side. Go under the middle cords and over the left one. Take the left cord, go through the loop on the right and tighten. Repeat this a few times until your clasp is about half an inch or a centimeter long. Make the same ending to the clasp as you did before with the straps. I love this sliding closure for my bracelets as it makes it really easy to put the bracelet on and off my wrist without damaging it. Cut the excess cord and melt the tips. Untie the temporary knots. See how simple it is to make such an adorable bracelet. It really doesn't take much time either, 1 hour or maybe 2 if you're new to making bracelets. You can just finish your bracelet by making little knots on each of the 4 cords like this, or you can thread on a bit first for a lovely detail. I decided to use these little golden beads. In any case, make sure to leave enough space so that you'll be able to put your bracelet on and off your wrist. Just make 4 final knots, trim the excess cord, and we're finished. This bracelet will spice up any outfit as it looks so casual and elegant at the same time. I made another one using a hot pink cord as well. They look absolutely adorable layered with other bracelets, and nonetheless, they make a perfect gift for your friends and loved ones. And that's how easy this was. Pretty cool, right? Since they look so adorable, I'm thinking of making more of them with different colors of string. Please send me a picture on Twitter, Instagram or Facebook if you try to make them yourself because I love seeing your recreations. Thank you for watching and bye bye until next time!